Today I'm going to show you how to make an invert wipe effect in Premiere Pro. Begin by creating a new black video. Click on the new item icon, then choose black video. Click OK and drag it on the timeline. Using the type tool, type out any word you prefer onto the program window. Customize the text in the Essential Graphics panel according to your preferences. Adjust font, size and alignment as desired. Go back to the project panel, click on the new item icon and create a new color matte. Choose a solid white color for the matte. Drag the white color matte above your text layer in the timeline. Set the blending mode of the white color matte to difference. This will invert whatever is underneath the white block, creating the desired effect. Experiment with different blending modes and colors to achieve unique results. To create the animation, apply the linear wipe transition from the effects panel onto the white color matte. In the effect controls panel, adjust the transition completion to control the animation progress. Set a keyframe at the start at 0% and then set another keyframe at 100% and move that keyframe to the end of the layer. Enhance the animation by adjusting the keyframe velocity. Drag the handles to initiate a slow start, gradually accelerating to create seamless transition. Experiment with different wipe angles and colors to customize the effect further. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and until next time.